Mastering macOS CICD Pipeline, a complete guide. Today, we're talking CI/CD for macOS apps, because automating your workflow is key. From the App Store Connect API to setting up GitLab Runner on Linux, we're covering it all. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, this video's got you covered. Alright, let's get started. First up, we gotta talk about the Apple App Store Connect API. Think of this as your direct line to automating all things App Store. We're talking creating app records, uploading builds, and managing metadata, all without manual effort. Trust me, this one's surprisingly straightforward. Once integrated, you'll save a ton of time. Stick around, because next we'll dive into the P8 file for notarization. Alright, so you've got your app built. Now it's time to get it notarized by Apple. The P8 file holds a private key, verifying your app's integrity to Apple. Think of it as getting your app officially stamped and approved by Apple. We'll cover best practices for storing and using your P8 file securely within your pipeline. Up next, we're tackling the p12 certificate for signing your app. Next up, let's talk about the p12 certificate. This is your ticket to signing your app, proving it's made by you and hasn't been tampered with. Just like with the P8 file, keep your p12 certificate safe. Once set up in your pipeline, the signing process becomes automatic. Pretty neat, right? Up next, we're diving into CSRs and ECDSA. Alright, let's talk CSR certificate signing request. A CSR is how you ask Apple for that digital certificate. For macOS development, use ECDSA, a secure way to generate your keys. Normally, creating a CSR is a manual process, but hey, this is 2023, we can automate almost anything. Even if done manually, it's a one-time thing and worth it. Now let's move on to setting up your macOS CI/CD pipeline. Let's talk about building your macOS CI/CD pipeline with GitLab Runner on Linux. Using Linux for your CI/CD server offers flexibility and cost-effectiveness. With GitLab Runner, you can spin up macOS build machines as needed. This means a streamlined, automated workflow without breaking the bank. Plus, GitLab Runner is super versatile for any project size. Now let's talk about certificates without critical extensions. These certificates are designed for specific tasks like code signing and offer higher security. Think of them as a high-tech security system, harder to crack. If your pipeline requires these, handle them with care. Integrate them securely into your signing process and manage them properly. And that's a wrap. We've covered everything to start building your macOS CI/CD pipeline. From the App Store Connect API to high-security certificates, you're set to automate your workflow. A solid CI/CD pipeline is about working smarter, not harder. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Until next time, keep coding, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.